Hello ho ho. Welcome back to the stream. Yeah. 1 second. Like always need to set up everything. And yeah, like always need to doing the little stream today. Everything. Okay, 1 second here, 1 second there. We'll soon be ready. Need to set up this and this and delete this. Here we go. And yeah. Wanted to make some coffee. Hello to the viewer who joined. Yeah, today I'm doing a little coding live stream, but yeah, this window is just for the purpose of a video I wanted to do, so it has no purpose in regards to the actual code. But yeah, let me open a new project. I'm sorry that you won't see anything now, but in a few seconds. Was it project generator? In a few seconds you should see something. Pygame, yeah, here we go. So let me add it to OBS. And yes, here we go. And now let me add the game, actually. Doing the game, let me do a little poll. Because of course I don't need to do Pygame. If you want to see any other thing, let me, just write it. Okay, poll will be, what should I do? Answer 1 is Pygame. Numpy, Blender, or and you can also type any suggestions in the chat. With that in mind, let's start with Pygame. So yeah, actually it was test file, and test file to math with, because we created a new test file, and we got this little cute game. Here we go. And part of this game was that I don't like the setup. And I don't need to show you the console, that's not that important. Let me do it like this, and that and that. Here we go. And welcome to the one who joined, trying to do some Pygame. Hope you're fine. And now I misclicked. Now I have a knot in my tongue, was not how I intended. I created a little game. So what I created is these little black dots are kind of following me, and if they are following me too much, I'm not able to move that much anymore. They come from the moving is really hard now. And what I want to add on the right, hello to the viewer who joined, I want to add something on the right side. So and not only something, I want to add a live balcony, how do we call it, live lane, live points, something like live points, a green dot or something that represents your life points, and your life points will decrease if you are chased or if the dots catch you. So this is pretty simple because the hard part was already set. We just need to increase our screen, And yeah, let me have a look where I set up here. I did set up the screen. Let's increase it to 800. Now if we run the program again, yeah, here on the right side we got something. Now let's draw a rectangle. Which should be pretty simple. Screen full orange. Screen point do no, not draw, but hello to the one who joined. How are you? Not on the where am I? Draw where draw Pygame draw rectangle. Draw point rectangle. Okay. Screen point draw. Oh no, Pygame point draw point rectangle. Surface is screen. And color equals, let's say, light green. And oh no, not light green. Let's, if you know, let me see if he knows light blue. Light blue would be awesome. And yeah, let me see if we can add Pygame point rectangle. Now with the, let's say, rectangle equals rectangle size. First of all, place should be 620 on the x-axis, or 603 on the x-axis, and now I have to 0 at the y-axis, and should be have the size of 200 and 600. Let me see. Here we go. Perfect. Now we are on the right side. We have the screen where our life points are shown. Oh, you can't see it because I put it on the end. So let me show you here. Now you should be able to see it, and because you won't see any thing regarding the code, you should also be able to see the code. So let me move it a little bit to the left, and again, now we have our rectangle. Now we need to draw our HP, and I have to research how we set the label in Pygame. This shouldn't be that render. Okay, this label render. Pygame point render, no, Pygame draw point render, no. How was the code again? My font point render. Okay. Fonty equals, no, not Fonty. Fonty equals Pygame point font and sysfont. Okay, sysfont, and we need something like, something like Arial, and let's say 12. And now let's say my label equals Fonty point render, HP. Okay. Let's say something like anti-analysis 1. And yeah, now I guess we have to set the colors. Let's say 255, 255, 255. So this should be black. And yeah, now screen point blitz. My label and position should be 604 and 20. Okay, let's try it. HP, okay, this is white, so let's do it in black. Do it in black. Yeah, it's really hard to spot if you are viewing, but if I do it in black, it should be easier to spot. So let's try it again. Much easier. Let's increase this font a little bit. Something like size 18. Okay, better. And now I need another rectangle. And why is he having this like space? Maybe I should delete this, yes. And hello to the viewers who joined. Yeah, I'm trying to create a little game regarding an escape game. I have this little figure here, the star, the orange star, and he will get chased by those black dots if he is nearing them. And what I wanted to implement now is if the orange dot is reached by the black dots, you will lose HP. HP is on the right side, so let's draw another rectangle representing our HP, health points to be more specific. So let's add something like let's add, I just need to draw a rectangle. Let's say something like health while running. Additional equals and additional point append. I know this kind of organization of the code kind of sucks, but I'm just using this for test issues and want to learn Pygame. Didn't ever work with Pygame until I started live streaming, so yeah. Now I'm doing Pygame, and yeah, the poll, most of the people are voting for Pygame, so it's perfect. Because I really want to move on with Pygame. Okay, Pygame rectangle. Position should be, where's my HP? HP is on position, light blue, where's light blue? Light blue, position 600. And yeah, this should also be 603 and 20. Where's my, here? But we will add something here and something here, 20. And yeah, size should be y-axis, let's say 60 or let's say 90 and 1 and 10. So for rectangle in additional Pygame point, draw rectangle, screen color equals green, and rectangle equals rectangle. Okay, now I need to move it to the right. But as you can see, there is an HP bar, not as intended. It was meant to be in a different shape, but yeah, nothing that what we can't fix by just moving it a little bit to the right. 20, the x-axis was probably right, just to add a little bit. Okay, no, I'm totally messing it up. 25 and 33. Let's try it again. Yeah, that's a good bar. That's a good bar. Sorry, I needed to yeah, kind of talk to my girlfriend. But kind of, I needed to. So yeah, again, I'm back, and what did I wanted to do? HP bar is implemented. Now what we need to do, we need to decrease the HP bar if we are, yeah, moving to it. So we really don't need that. We just can see, say, draw a rectangle like this. Draw. Equals Pygame point rectangle. And now we can say, okay, we need the global variable HP, fake HP equals, yeah, let's say 90 because the length is 90. Let's say this fake HP 10. And now we have collision. Where's the collision handling? Yeah, and if the player let's say let's nest it. I would definitely nest this one. And yeah. So yeah, players didn't. If no one is watching, I will just make myself a coffee and return programming in a few seconds. Because I didn't had a coffee lately. And I will kind of stream until I guess 3 o'clock because I have to get up tomorrow at 8:50 because at 9 I will start working in home office, which is pretty cool because I can much more time regarding sleep, and this is great. So yeah. Okay, so I will set up a little coffee break. erstmal OBS. Here we go. Add text. 5-minute coffee break. Now I want to move the text here. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So enough coffee break. Let's get back to coding. And yes, what was my next intention? Hello to the one who joined. I'm doing a little Pygame, making a little, trying to get something like a roguelike. Next step is to make the HP screen on the right. Now shouldn't nest it here. Should nest it here. Collide. I have another collision regarding. Oh, it's simply, I guess, collision. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, trying to do some Pygame. It is if player included. How do I set up the player again? Rectangle fig. If Pygame collides, Pygame point rectangle HP fig HP minus equals 1. Okay, this should be pretty simple. Let's do it. Is this? Yeah, HP is decreasing. Yeah, now we are out of HP. Now next step is we should die. Because being out of XP means you die. May not sound fair, but life is not always fair. And health points, could be translated to life points. And life points means, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's move on and let's say something like if fig HP equals 0, break me equals true, if break me break, and or let's say dead equals true if break dead break. So if dead while running again, clock point tick 30. Let's see what happens. That is not defined. That should be defined. Okay, let's see. Something like that equals false. That equals true. If that break, if that, yeah, then we can move on. Can send while running clock tick. So again, what happens? Now let's kill ourselves. Yeah, it freezes, perfect. Now what should also happen? We should get your dad. So let's wear split. Again, my label, my little label, my little label, my little label. Okay, funny. Okay, we also need funny. What do we need funny? Just need. Do we need funny? Where's funny? Funny. What's Pygame point? Yeah, we also need this. Okay, funny. Oh no, we already have funny. You are dead. You are dead. And this should be in the middle of, or kind of in the middle of the screen. So let's say do 300, 300. Again. Okay, he won't place it. Maybe we need something like draw a rectangle. No, no, no. Display flip maybe. Let's try it again. Now let's one. Let's one. Okay, now he's working. Let's die. You're dead. Perfect. Yeah, that's what I mean. And now it froze. Now let's say screen fill red. Screen point fill red again. You're dead. Perfect. Pretty brutal. Okay. So what could be the next step? Someone voted, by the way, for Blender. I could dive into Blender. Maybe after I've made it, I can try some Blender after finishing Pygame again. Let me check because it's pretty cool. Now we can evade those dots. And we can move to this one to get an additional level, which means we have more black dots to avoid. You're dead. Okay, but it works kind of the way it is intended to work, which I really appreciate. Okay, do you call it appreciate? I'm happy it kind of works. And yeah, so what could be the next step? Next step could be to make a level variable. So let's make a level variable. Call it level equals 0 for e in range 5 plus level multiplied with 2. Now let's make something like a panned rectangle. So we have a 600/600 screen. It should be 400 400 plus random rand in between 0 and 150. Same goes for our y-axis. Should only be no, this should be declared. Let's do it in a loop. While level doesn't equal, level is less than 100, move it while in lowercase. No, I don't want to test. We have test to mess with. By the way, let me look at the chat if someone wrote something. Oh, I'm the last one standing. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, trying to make a little Pygame. But I guess I will soon dive into Blender because that was wanted by the community. Blender is also pretty cool. Hello to the one who joined. Yeah, I'm trying to do Pygame and Blender. Yeah. So let's do some Pygame and Blender today. Still, I'm trying to make a goal. So while level equals 100. So if that level plus equals 1, and let's do something like, yeah, for rectangle Pygame point. Okay, we don't need that here. But this should be in the loop. And rectangle equals, oh no, this shouldn't be in the loop. this should be in the loop. Green equals light green, rectangle equals rectangle. Let's see if we're drawing it. Yeah, but I'm totally, yeah. Light blue, not light green. I did something, yeah. Made something entirely wrong. Hi, hello Flo Rooney, sorry, looked lately in the chat. I'm doing a little Pygame, let me show you. Just a chasing game. So as you can see here, ignore the ignore the line on the right side, the light blue line. These little black dots will start chasing me if I come too close to them, and they will decrease my HP and will kill me. I coded that already. Now I want to make a little green dot you can collect as your figure, and if you collect them you will start at the next level, having to avoid even more black dots and so on, so that it will end up as a little game. Okay, where was I? Light blue. Yeah, it's really simple. It's just a project to dive into Pygame. Hello to the people who joined, by the way, doing some Pygame. Feel free to join, make suggestions, and yeah, so on. Okay, but I kind of messed it up. Rectangle light blue. Where was my light blue one? Rectangle here, append. And it should be only a 2020 dot like this. Yeah, this one, but not in light blue, but in light green. Like this. Yeah, and now if we were chased by the black dots, we should kind of be able to collect the green dot. Not at the moment, but I will do some collision. Second. Now where's the collision again? Where do I declare it? Additional, yes. Additional 0. Oh, thank you very much. Can't you optimize the list? Which list are you referring? I should rename the F list, of course, because F is a really bad name for a yes. And yes, you could do list comprehension. You are maybe right. You mean like this? Yeah, you could. You mean this one? But I was a little bit confused because the variable is each different. You can do something like Pygame point can do like rec temp list equals, and now you can do a list with tuples. And then you can do list comprehension for Pygame point rectangle. But yeah, it's a little bit messy because the tuples you are having inside the rectangles are kind of messy, because here you have a 0, then you have here 0. Yes, yes. Oh, you say things the same as I do. Okay. Yeah, it will, and that's probably why I did each fence. I did hard coding it, but additional, I'm not sure if I can do this. This could be used in list comprehension maybe, but I'm still trying to figure out if there is anything I will add which will too much be, which will alter the appended object. So I don't even know if each object will be the same in the list. Yeah, but a good idea. Not entirely wrong, or not wrong, but in this case I would stick to the hard coding way. Okay, so I wanted to make a collision with a dot. Yeah, here we go. This has to be a collision for its own. Again, if Pygame rectangle colliterate. After this I will do I guess a roguelike project, and the roguelike project will be much more complex, much more organized. Looked at 5-line long full chi-screen list comprehension with 120 variables for face recognition AI. Oh yeah, I know what you're meaning. Yeah, so list comprehension can be really hard to read. I mean, it is possible to have an entirely script in one line in Python, which would take up to 100 lines in C or Java, but yeah, I guess 100 line, yeah, it more looks like it looks like a total mess. But also I think list comprehensions are awesome, but not in every case. So it should be the player rectangle. I will copy the player rectangle here. And the other one is additional 0. Where was I? No. I think I made my code hard to read as well, but yeah, it won't be a blockbuster of a game. Well, this shit look like assembly. Only my friend and God know who he had on mind then knew. Yeah, I. Do you mind reading chat, or am I bothering you? No, 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 no. It's more like I'm streaming, and it's like 50 or 40% coding and 60% reading the chat. So yeah, it's even if I'm talking, it's always much harder if you code and talk while coding than just code for yourself and be quiet. So I can't focus that much because I'm simply talking and coding. But that's the fun thing. The fun thing is you code and you can talk with others while it's much fun. I kind of did it my first time some days ago, and it was a lot of fun. So I kind of did it every night. So I don't really have the time for it, but it makes fun, and it's more fun than playing video games or something like this. Yes, much harder. I know, I know, I know. Sometimes I switch to German words, but yeah, it also it helps me to improve my English skills. And yeah, hello, by the way, to everyone who joined. I just saw that some people joined this stream. Hello to everyone. Yeah, it's harder when you're not a native speaker, of course, because in my case, I mix, sometimes I speak a mix of German and English, but I realize that as soon as possible and fix my mistakes and try to translate it into proper English then. Okay, where was I? Yeah. Now we have a collision, so we can say level up. Yeah, level up. So level plus equals 1, and I should move my mouth a little bit closer to my speaker. And now, because we have a level up, we can say break for level up, break level up equals true. Or how can I do that? For if we break this loop, we get into another for loop. Yeah, we have something like leveled. Leveled equals false. Hello, Mucha. Oh, I'm sorry if I don't pronounce it properly. Mujtaba Assad. If I didn't pronounce your name properly, I'm sorry. But yeah, to my excuse, my name's also always pronounced wrong. And yeah, I'm just trying to do some Pygame, trying to code something. And yeah, trying to make a little game I can show you because I didn't show it lately. Here we have this little, oh, it made, why is it? Line 128, 28. Yeah, it's not this additional 0. Okay. Here we go. This is the game I'm actually programming or working on. And we have this black dot chasing me if I get too close, and on the right side you can see my HP decreasing if they are chasing me. I have this randomly generated light green dot, and if I reach it, it's not now, but I'm just trying to implement that it will increase the level. And after increasing the level, there are even more black dots chasing me, and it starts from new on. Then later I can add additional fences that are placed randomly to increase the difficulty even more and add a roguelike feeling. And then I will start from new and will, yeah, code a little roguelike game. If you know what a roguelike game, means. And by the way, hello to the one who joined. Now I got 6 viewers, which is cool. Yeah, and that's what I'm up to at the moment. And yeah, now I'm looking at, yeah, now I have a level up, and I also have the level variable leveled equals true. Leveled equals true. Yeah, but it's really simple code and it's not that kind of organized. So you should, if you are coding, you should organize your code much more. To be honest, it's kind of, yeah, I am working on it, but it's just a test project for my next real project. So yeah, but it's fun making that, and it's better to do it in a stream because yeah, you have the input of other viewers. I got tips, for example, when I set the first things up, many a viewer kind of reviewed my code, gave me some tips, and yeah, I implemented them, and it helped me a lot. And yeah, the same goes now if I have leveled equals now true. Also checking one tick, but yeah, if leveled equals true, if leveled, no, this is totally stupid. If leveled equals to if leveled break. Now let me see if something new happens. The first level should be easy. Okay, he's closing the game because I didn't tick something. Okay, if he breaks this loop, the while running loop. Okay, running. Maybe I should while level equals 100 and running, or running. Maybe this can help. Let me try it. First, let me see if the dev screen works, or yeah, the dev screen works. Perfect. Now let's add. Okay, let's first close it. And let's try to reach the next level. This should be easy, not being chased at the moment because I'm pretty far away. Okay, now the screen freezes. But yeah, okay, now I need some seconds to think. How can I do this as easy as possible? I guess I found a little solution. Maybe. But I could, if I'm not entirely wrong, could try something like so yeah, he's kind of getting into this loop. Getting into this loop, he's breaking this loop, getting in another loop. Where do I have the variable running? Oh, here we go. Check for input. Okay, maybe. No, not that. That's not how I'm intending that. Whew, now comes a little harder part, but eager to get this. So yeah, he's appending. Maybe I should switch them here. So again, if leveled break, so he's getting back. Level will increase by 1. Let me try something like print. Starting level. You won't see that, but it's better for me to see if I'm print E will be deleted because it will mess up the console. Okay, so if we start the game, starting the level, oh, I'm already dead because I spawned into some dots. Okay, again. Oh, here's a dot already chasing me. And yeah, he's freezing. Ah, he won't get to print starting a level, and he's... So let me say... While running, he's increasing the level, but he's not getting back inside this loop. Although these are the same conditions, he's kind of not. It's because of the second loop. Okay, let me see. You mean the second while loop? If that while running, this will only be triggered if I'm dying. And the dead boolean will only be true if I'm at 0 HP. Or do you mind referring to another loop? Maybe, which loop could it be? Could it be while running? Starting level, append, should all doing that. Now while running, let me see, print starting from the bottom. If he gets to this loop, of course he will always print starting from the bottom, but the thing is, okay, he will get inside the loop. He will just, so he will get starting while running, he will get in this one. Pygame do rectangle. Ah, maybe. I have to get this inside. Let's try it again. Maybe that could be the issue. No? Okay. Not really, but let's see what exactly happens if we get into the leveled. If leveled, okay. Maybe I have to reset it here. And here. Leveled equals false. Let's try it again. Yes. Here we go. Yes. Yes, come on. Oh, this gets hard. 1 HP left. Yes, come on. Okay, but now I can't die anymore. I'm not able to die, as you can see. So why can't I die anymore? Should be always checking for HP. If dead, so why running? This should be an endless loop. Clock tick. Strange. But again, I solved the one issue, I will solve the other issue. So if HP equals 0, that equals true. If that drop, so here does def works. Okay, def works in the first level. Okay, that's solid. Does it work in the other level? That's an issue on its own. I'm eager to find this out. Come on. Yeah. So now let's die again. Okay, def works. Now let's try to lose some HP in the first level, and now let's get to the next level. Now I'm dead. Why didn't it work before? Do something like this. Now let's increase our levels. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, now it's kind of got into a let's play. But I need to test this out. Oh, this will get harder. I'm dead. Okay, okay, it seems to work. It seems to work. Check the loop. Break might not end until the round end with leveling up. Yes, you maybe are right, but it worked in this case now. I don't know how I kind of messed it up lately that it didn't work, but now it worked. Check the loop. Okay, break. If that breaked, and again, yeah, if figure HP equals 0, and this should be always, yeah, this should be always checked. No. And again, if we move, now let me try to get as far as possible. Okay, now it, but yeah, the game works as it is intended to work. Still, maybe I should add some instances that the black dots won't spawn in the near of the player at first. Okay, here we go. You're dead. Yeah. So again, what can I do now? Let me do another paw. So new paw. What should be my next project? Advanced Pygame, more complex, Blender, data science, or a random project, because there's still some minutes, maybe even an hour left for streaming. So yeah, hello to everyone who joined. I lately did a poll. Can show you the game I lately made. It's kind of this game here. I am the dark orange dot, and I'm trying to avoid the black dots because they are decreasing my HP if they hit me. And yeah, trying to reach the light green dot here. Okay, whoa. Should reach another level. That should be possible. Okay, now. Oh, this is easier than the last one because they are not that much separated, but this one is again harder. Okay, but this should be my downfall now. Yeah. Okay, now you saw a little let's play. And yeah, random project was with one voice. So yeah, let's at least collect 2 polls or 2 votes. And yeah, if the 2 votes are both for a random project, I will obtain a random project, because I even did a random project generator, giving me a random project with random subjects. And yeah, hello to the one who joined into our stream. I lately did, yeah, make a little game. Now I have made the little game and I'm asking the viewers what to do next. Easy peasy. Okay, chat. No new votes. Okay, so I will play another round. I can show you. Maybe I will get. Oh, I can still, as long as the poll goes, I can still add a level counter. So where's HP? While HP, again, HP is here. Let me do something like this. Now my label equals Fonty point render level F level, and yeah, we should move it a little bit down, except from that, or let's say 50. Let's run it. Okay, level 0, let's do level +1. Next one. And you shouldn't increase level by 2, but now I made a little mistake. Okay, oh, they're chasing me. but I still got plenty of HP left, and now I'm dead. Okay, again, only one wood. So yeah, I will try to fix the issues. Where did I say level plus level plus? Only here. And then level plus 1. Ah, here, level plus 1. If Pygame. Okay. So I should delete this one. And of course, before level plus 1. No, not plus 2, plus 1. Okay. Now I'm starting at, again. I'm starting at this one, level 1. Getting to, level 2. Now the difficulty is increasing a little bit lower because I oversaw that he's increasing to that he got increased by 2 level each win, but it's still, after some time, it really gets hard. Level 10, for example, it's much more difficult, and yeah, I lost a lot of HP lately and I'm dead. Okay, this is a game probably I just made. So again, hello to the one who joined. Maybe you wanna vote what I could do next. Because I'm eager, of course I can do more Pygame. But maybe there's some other things like, random project or some data science. I could do a Numpy or Pandas or Matplotlib. It's up to you, or the viewers, to decide what should be my next project. I could sing something. Okay, no, I won't sing. I'm bad at singing, so no singing. It doesn't matter how much you want to see me sing, I won't sing. I'm the worst singer. My neighbors will knock at my door and will pull me out and murder me. So don't vote for singing, but I don't even have singing as a poll option, so everything is fine and I will be safe. And I will be alive, be able to program even more stuff. Oh, and there I was already being consumed by a black dot. Again. I could try to add some random fences, by the way. Yeah. Could do that. I don't really know. I enjoy a lot. I would love to do a little roguelike, but I'm a little bit concerned regarding the graphics because you need some graphics. But I would love to do a roguelike. I love explaining data science. If someone is interested in it, I can explain certain stuff, show certain stuff in Matplotlib. With Blender, I'm really interested in Blender, but the thing with Blender is that that I don't have any knowledge about Blender. I would be starting from the bottom, and maybe I have to look up something on the internet, and I would have to stop talking a little bit because I would read. And was a random project. I would just try my project generator. So it is up to you. So the next vote will decide, because I'm not, I'm kind of, how do you call it in English? I'm not two-sided. I'm begging for a decision. No. Anyways, yeah. For example, the roguelike. I can simply start with the roguelike. Or I can show you my random project generator, so I can show you what the random project would be. Can you see it? No. But I can show you in 1 second. Here we go. This is my random project generator. Pretty simple code. Just click on generate. Just click on generate. Where's my GUI? Here, generate. Now I have 4 subjects. I can decide if I want to delete one specific project or delete 2 random projects. Decide for 2 random project, and now I have to make a game not subject regarding an aged Chuck. Maybe he is referring to Chuck Norris, so an aged Chuck Norris. I can make a Chuck Norris joke generator, for example, or a little game where you play Chuck Norris, but this is like playing on God mode without like playing with cheats enabled, so this wouldn't be any fun to play a game where you play Chuck Norris and you won't play a game. You can't play a game where you are Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris is playing a game with you then. And yeah, so again, we can also, this was just for showing purpose, also generate a project and delete one specific subject, like predictions, stainless, prompt, and eat. Now we have predictions, prompt, and eat as a subjects. Yeah, this is my random project generator. If you have no idea what to do, you can use a random project generator if you're not that creative like me. Okay, but if there's no word left, I would pretty simple code, so I can show you the code. This is only the code, only I guess 140 lines. Most work simply got into the delete one specific, because you have to have 5 buttons, and they should have the option to remove itself, but also remove any other button, and you can also generate a time limit. Now I have a time limit, but it's pretty simple to implement. Not that hard. Yeah. And by that much talking, my tongue is a little bit dry. I will need to get a cup of water. Yeah, maybe someone joined. If you're interested what I'm doing next, please don't leave. And I leave you the decision. And if someone joined, can I show something? Yeah. See you in 1 minute. Be right back. Oh, whoa, now I'm throwing everything up behind. I'm not throwing up. I mean, I'm throwing the desk beside because I got up too quickly. Okay, see you in a few seconds. I'm back. So, did everyone leave? Oh. Okay, welcome back. Okay, some left, but still some still some are left and didn't leave. So yeah, welcome back. And hello to the one who joined. Yeah. Did someone vote? Oh, unfortunately not. And hello to the one who joined. Please vote what I'm doing next. Otherwise I will just do a random project. Please vote. And yeah. By the way, a tie isn't that of a problem because T or T means take your time. Okay, I was wondering what YT means, but TYT means probably take your time. Thank you. Learn something. I learn a lot in the streams. So, yes. Okay. What could I can start. I can start. Yeah, let me start. Oh, there's a vote. Advanced Pygame complex. Okay. So I also have a vote. I would also vote for Advanced Pygame. So yeah, let's dive back to Pygame. Let me clean up the mess a little bit. And hello to the one who joined. I'm doing some Pygame. So yeah, doing something a little bit similar to this. Let me show a test, real test to mess with. Here we go. I have this little figure. I'm trying to get, oh, okay, he left. Yeah, anyway, let's don't waste time with throwing. Now I got a note in my tongue. Let's not waste any time. Here we go. I have to make the IDE a little bit smaller that you are able to see anything. I will like this so I can save some space. So the font won't be too small. Yeah. What was the peak, by the way? 6 or 7 viewers, which is pretty cool. Okay. Now let's start. We call it directory Pygame roguelike. Now we firstly need a screen. We'll test file. Okay. I am really lazy. I will just first of all I will implement the basic stuff. Oh, I have a NJSJ. It was a present from my girlfriend. I don't know how much it was worth. So is the quality okay? Because yeah, it was a gift. I don't know how much it was, but it would be about 30 to 50 euros. Yeah, from NJSJ, JTech. Support at njsjtech.com. Lifetime warranty. That was written on the little sign here on the socket. Okay, so yeah, I guess this will be kind of the same. So let's do something like Pygame roguelike. Let's first do something like main. Copy it, and we need to import Pygame. Pygame, like this. Now we can have Pygame in it. We have our logo, which is not there. We can make a store folder. Storage, new directory, images, and yeah. Now let's do something like with our from last, because now we have to make a certain order and have to make it more readable. I can also write it down if I ngsj. Maybe I find it on Amazon. Let me check. I think I got it. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I nearly found the microphone. J. NGSJ, this should be it. Okay, I got the link. Now I need to find the tab with the video so I can see the chat. Oh, the link is too long. Okay, I'm sorry. If you look up for something like this, you should find it. I can't post the link, but I'm really sorry. Yes. Anyways. Images. So I wanted to do little images, an icon. Perfect, perfect. Didn't. Perfect. Okay. Someone, oh, my door opened. I need to close it. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I don't know, the door to the living room opened by itself. This is kind of scary and creepy. Maybe a ghost joined. And yeah. This is creepy, but it would be more creepy, but I don't live alone, so it's kind of okay. If you live alone and then you spot a ghost, it's much more scary and creepy than living with your partner. So yeah. Where was I? Yeah, I wanted to create a little icon. I will just use a placeholder icon. I can create it with PNG, really small PNG file. Black and white. You probably can't see that. No, I didn't want to color it, I just wanted to draw. So, save, PNG, save. Okay. Where was I? Something chat. Bring the Bible, yes, maybe demons entering. This could be really, yeah, not at this time, I guess. And demons would be louder and more. Maybe a scared little ghost, I don't know. Okay, images. created a little image. As you can see my drawings, I can show you my drawing skills. Here we go. This is our figure. So this is our little play figure. Really beautiful. I should be an artist. But yeah, and it could be a placeholder. I called it 12 PNG, but yeah. We have storage, images, PNG. So next up we need to do something like running equals true. While running, where's the I should organize myself a little bit more. Wheel test, we don't need this. Oh, let me close everything. And I only need two files, the main file and the old file. Okay, so again, while running, check for key input. Did I imported the check for key input? No, I didn't. So oh, here, check for key input is a function. Equals false. Yes, perfect. Okay, now we need to, if I would open this, oh, we already have some game. Can you see that on OBS? Yes. Unfortunately not the logo, but yeah, you can see the black screen and this is the game. I only see the logo, but apart from that I don't see more than you. Because we're doing a little larger game, let's do a screen 1000 and 1000. Oh, this is maybe too much. Let's say 900, 900. Yeah, can also say 1100 and 900. Perfect. Okay, this will be our screen. I will try to close it now. So next step, what are we gonna do next? We could try something like first let me take a sip for my water glass. I should add a clock, time clock. I should set the FPS. Someone vote me. Time point clock. What was again? Yeah, let's say 30 FPS for the beginning. And yeah, next step, 30 FPS. Unexpected argument, is he gonna trick me? Where's the clock? clock point tick, time point clock point tick was the function clock point tick. And now we need to place our figure. I was flip, display, screen, here we go. Already did screen point fill. Screen point fill black. And we need again our figure. Now this time go storage, main classes. Or let's say main objects. New player related, the class player. Dev init. Self x, y. Size x, size y, and yeah. Oh, now I minimized my screen. And yeah, hello to the one who joined. I'm trying to make a little vocalike game. So self point x equals x, self point y equals y, self point size x equals size x, self point size y equals size y, self now def set position x comma y, self x, it's pretty simple. No, not that, but this one. And def move self move x y. This is pretty simple because we are just adding x and y to our movement. Then def get x, return self point x, def get y, return y. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. What can I do next is the next question. Yeah, probably is. Feeling sleepy, but yeah. At least I will do the, yeah, how do we call it, 2 hour mark? Obviously. Won't sleep until I reach the 2 hour mark. Okay, I should say something. Okay, main, again back to main. Player 1 equals from main objects point player related import player, and we write player in uppercase because it's a class. Always write uppercase classes in uppercase. Equals player 2020 and now finally can say test file. When did we do it in test file? Screen split. So yeah. After filling the screen, we can do the split function. And yeah, not fig y, but player 1 point x and player 1 point get x and player 1 point get y. Now okay. Yeah, we will solve it obviously in a few seconds. I won't let this case unsolved. Never. Hello to the one who joined. How are you? I'm just trying to make a little roguelike after I already made something with Pygame. Now I'm back to a roguelike and yeah, maybe you wanna join me. I'm just coding and yeah, did already set the player. Now I already did the game file and I'm kind of copying from my own work. And I need a rectangle, I guess. Screen, blit, logo, fill, or did I, flip. I need to flip the display, I guess. Clock tick, display, flip. Now Yeah, here's my figure. Here you can see my little figure. Yeah, I have bad drawing skills, as you can see. Let me make the screen a little bit bigger here. I'm not good at drawing, but anyways, this doesn't keep me from making games, because the drawing part is not part of the programmer. I'm just using kind of placeholder things and stuff. Okay, import. Now we need a little function which is called def check for key input. Check for key input. I will copy this little function from this. And yeah, let's set it. If event yeah, I don't have any collision yet. And I need an object. A player is player. Yeah, fig player point. Okay, down. Set position. Y plus minus equal 20. Or plus equals 20. Now we have minus equals 20. And yeah. Player point x plus equals 20. Player point x minus equals 20. Now let's say check for key input equals player 1. Now let's try it. Name event is not defined. Okay, I need to do it like this. And now yeah, now I can move inside my little world. And I should eat something because I need to go to bed in some minutes. Shouldn't be that of a problem because no one is watching, so I can make a little break. Hello. Hello to everyone who joined. Just ate something for dinner. Now I'm back to coding and 1 second. So where did I stop? Oh. I guess it's even time to end the stream because I'm totally tired. And yeah, started with my new project. The person here is running as I wanted it to run. And yeah, I think I should stop. Should I? I don't know. Hello to the one who joined, yeah. Okay, I will do it a few more minutes. So again, how did I need to draw some fences, obstacles. So let's do another script saying obstacles, non-movable and obstacles, non-movable obstacle, class wall, x def init, because we need our constructor, self with including self point x, not reduce x, self point x equals x, self point y equals y, self point x size equals, no, not question mark, equals x size, and a self point y size equals y size. Okay, and of course x, y, x size, y size, and yeah. Now let's say something like while running level walls equals a list, walls append I should from main object, non-movable objects, import wall, and this mistake should be written in uppercase like this. Back to main. Wall, where's my list? Yeah. Wall. Now first one has 0 coordinates and size 20, 20 on the x-axis, 900. The y-axis, yeah, another wall. Yeah, in number we have 3 different walls. Now we have some wall at 0. Okay, the other one should be at x 180 0. Then we should have another one at 0 0 again, but this one has a size 1120. And the next one, hello to the one who joins, the viewer. Yeah, I'm trying to program a little roguelike, as you will see soon. Now last one has the same size, but my size, but he will be set to 1000, no, 880. Now we still need to paint the walls. Place list construction. But yeah, I still wanna, yeah, now it looks better, more viewable. Okay, now how did I do it in this one? Okay. Here are the fences, okay. So let's say something like before flip for wall in walls, Pygame point draw rectangle, surface should be screen, color should be, let's say, brown, and yeah, rectangle is wall. Okay. Then I will do something like this. Main, unmovable obstacle, definition, return, definition, get rect, return, x, y, x size, or self point x. Return self point x, self point y, self point x size, self point y size, and yeah, should be a tuple. No, I want a tuple. Or I will use a list, transform it into a tuple, so he really knows I'm referring to a tuple. So tuple, okay. Now we can back to our main file and say something like draw rectangle, wall point get rectangle. Now must be a type. Okay, this should also be simple possible, just using replacing the square brackets with usual brackets like this. Tuple. Okay, again tuple. Man, I should relearn something regarding tuples. Okay. Tuple. Return. Okay, I am kind of confused. Why doesn't this not work? Turn. I want a tuple. Simply a tuple. Ah, yeah, no, we from Pygame import Pygame. Import rectangle, import rectangle, return rectangle of this one. It is a rectangle style object. So if we go to our main method, whoa. Place, no. Turn rectangle. This should be the class. Okay, I guess it's really getting late. I want to solve this before going to bed. Must be rectangle, return rectangle. Get to main, the rectangles or decider, test file. Decider is not needed, test file. Yeah, here we have the same. Do I have to use one bracket more? Okay. No. Ah. Main. But this is not a tuple. What is wrong? This is so confusing. Maybe I should get to bed, but I want to solve this. expected float. Integer. Integer. We format. Tuple of integer. What am I doing wrong? Without this? Non-movable ops player related. Oh, okay, the brackets are not needed, but tuple of integer, why? Why? What is the difference between this and this? The answer is there is no difference. The answer is set position. Player related. So, non-movable obstacle. So how do I do it with a player? Turn rectangle. Rectangle. Wall point Y. Wall point X size. Wall point Y size. Pygame point rect point rectangle. Okay, if we do something like 1, 1, 1, and 1. Yeah, this works, but I must be doing something wrong. Okay, I give it up for today. I will try again tomorrow. Until then, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye-bye. And the live stream was really fun today. Hope you are joining the next time. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in a few days. See you and bye-bye. Yeah. Guess that's it. Where is my...